Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am here to share inspiration for the Not Too Shabby February 2023 Stamp and Die of the Month, which is Spread Your Wings. I am part of a hop, so there is a hashtag in my title and also in the description box that you can click on and continue around to see all the inspiration from the other design team members sharing their creations using the Stamp and Die of the month as well. Also in the description box below is a Rafflecopter link. After you visit everyone, be sure to enter to win a gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. And all the information is in the description box, along with the products that were still available. They are linked for your convenience. So in case you haven't seen it, this is the new Spread Your Wings. Again, the Not Too Shabby February 2023 Stamp and Die of the Month. For those that know me well, you know that I love butterflies. I used to run a Flutterby challenge every Wednesday many years ago. So this one, I think I might have squealed a little bit when I first saw it. Has this gorgeous big butterfly, lots of little ones, this gorgeous, like, I think they're called like a spray of flowers. And I love the sentiment, whisper I love you to a butterfly, and it will fly to heaven to deliver your message. How sweet is that? And this says hope, sending hugs, and spread your wings, it's time to fly. I got the dies to go along with it. If you haven't tried Not Too Shabby dies, they do cut out the sentiments usually, and so that is a added bonus. For my cards, I also brought in this Not Too Shabby Quiet Morning paper pad. This was with a box of the month last year. I did not find this one in the shop. And then I also brought in the Pink Roses paper pad. This one is still available and is so pretty. Definitely one I'm glad that I picked up. Onto my cards. For my first card, I used that great big butterfly and that Quiet Moments, was it Quiet Moments? Yeah, Quiet Morning paper pad. Pastel colors are very hard for me. I like to do bright and cheerful, but I have to say I'm very pleased with my coloring because I did keep it very soft, very pretty. Don't know if you can see it or not. I have a Spectrum Noir sparkle pin on the wing there. It's very sparkly. I have that sending hugs. I used, for both my cards today, I did use Mojo Monday sketches. And then there is the inside of that. I love how it turned out. Like I said, I'm normally a bright person, so for me to do pastels, it's very challenging, but I think they turn out very pretty. And then for my second card, I did go ahead and use that larger sentiment and that spray of flowers and then those butterflies. Again, this is a Mojo Monday sketch. I liked doing it in like the reds and pinks. I thought it turned out cute. Well, not cute, pretty. And then there's the inside of that one. I had stamped out all those butterflies and I wanted to make sure that I used them, so I just added it on the inside. I really like how pretty the inside of this card is. This is just definitely a very pretty card, and it was really easy to put together. The coloring on these goes really fast, and it just is so pretty. It's such a pretty stamp set. So there are my two cards that I have to share for you today. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. I haven't done a video in a while. And I hope that you click the hashtag, hop around to see what everyone else creates. And also, if you're not a member of the Not Too Shabby Facebook group, I do have that linked in the description box below, because most Wednesdays there is a live by a design team member. I happen to do the second Wednesday of the month, so that's tomorrow. And I will be sharing, I haven't quite decided yet, but we're going to use the stamp set and die to make something tomorrow. And then Crafty Al is the following Wednesday, and Debbie J is the following Wednesday. So it's really cool to just come out and hang out with us and have a live crafting session. All right. I'll let you get to hopping around. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a super amazing and crafty day. Till my next video. Bye.